Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC and transparency modes on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You have to start by opening the application, and now you have a few options how to do it, in the application or by gesture. So if you want to use gesture, the touch area is located right here. So now you should put your headphones to your ears, both headphones, and you can click right here on noise cancelling and choose noise cancelling or transparency mode, or you can of course turn off it, or you can press and hold on your left or right earbud. So just press and hold it, and as you can see I enable ANC, and now I'm press and hold again, and I enable transparency mode, and if I do in the third time I will turn off it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.